Twisted Artisan here. This is our final video on the Signature Series interior build that we're doing. We're going to get right into center console on this, and this video is a little different. I got my Ray-Bans on, so I'm going to give you a true first-person view of how I build these center consoles. Then we're going to do the full reveal of this 57 Bel-Air. It's a gorgeous car. I can't wait to show it to you. So first things first, when designing anything, you got to have a template. I think just like the door panels and the seats that I've done, we all start with cardboard, and I think that's pretty standard across the industry. What you're going to do is you're going to cut out different size squares, rectangles of pieces that you're going to need. You can see there's multiple different pieces in here to get that design, especially up front where you get into tight spots up in the dash. You can see these are just nice little small squares that I've glued to this long piece here, and that's going to give us the desired shape front to back that we're looking for. Now, cosmetically, the other things that we need to look at is once we have the seats in here, how's the placement, how's it look, how all the curves go, is the armrest where it needs to be, is it high enough, is it low enough not to be too bulky, is the shifter going to go front to back. Up front, we're going to have to do something with the air conditioning up here. I've already designed some sort of grill to go up front with the air conditioner. Now you want to face all of the issues that you know about up front, and then of course the further along the design process you're going to get into switch placement. Are there going to be any storage places, anything like that? Now another thing that I've designed that I think is really cool on this build, and I want to kind of point it out, is it's going to have that floating floor look. You can see I can run my hand all the way underneath it, and it looks like it's levitating off the floor, and I really like that design feature. All right, we got the PVC cut out, and we're going to do our first fitments check. Let's see here. Looks like everything's nice and taut. Now the things to check for on the other side is we don't have air conditioner over there, so I need to see what kind of adjusting I need to do right there, but everything in the rear end should pretty much be the same. Now we have our back pieces cut. We're going to go ahead and test fit these and check our allowances. Now these are two exact pieces, and they are level off of the base of the seat, and you can see that I have leather that we're going to be wrapping the console in, and I have it right here over the front seam, which is the thickest part. This is probably where the tension is going to be the tightest. I want to make sure that the center console fits. It should be 6 inches on the inside, so I made these little spacers just to space it out here. Like I said, this one right here is probably going to be the tightest, but it should fit in there, and then the back should go in a little easier. Here we go. And then I got a front piece just to keep all the spacing ready to go. Now we've confirmed internal spacing to be 6 inches. We can go ahead and make our faceplate and our internal storage compartment and finish out the back half of the console. The rear center console's out, and we need to build the center chambers. Basically, we know the inner dimensions are 6 inches. So we're wanting to build a storage unit right here. What we're going to have to do is take our square. We're going to go to the tips and then mark down on side to side, giving us the ability to measure in between the 2 points on top and bottom.